Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you that how can you level up fast on Monopoly Go. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step. Let's get started with the video without wasting any time. Please watch it till the end so you don't miss out any information. So first of all, you can see there's this icon of Monopoly Go on my screen. I will click it. After I click it, you can see it brings me to this game page of mine where I will tell you how you can level up easily on Monopoly Go. So the process is very easy. You just have to gain XP for this, and to gain XP you have to complete the daily tasks that will be available over here. But right now these are not available for me because I am way too far on my levels. You need to be on level 35 to unlock it, and after you unlock it you have to complete the daily tasks, and then you will gain XP. Not only XP but some extra cash that you will use to build your buildings and upgrade your buildings. That will also help you to level up, and it will give you some free dice rolls. Also Monopoly Go will give you some dice rolls that would be free. You have to accumulate them and use them in one go. This will help you to level up on Monopoly Go. I hope you understood the process and you liked my video. If you did, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.